Hello, everyone, and welcome to another episode of Writing and SLT. So, in this video, we'll be talking about science, laboratory technology, physiology, and pharmacology option. This video was made based on popular demand because some of my subscribers have been saying I've been talking about SLT, biology, chemistry, another option, but I've never mentioned anything about pharmacology and physiology option. So, let's get down to that part today. And that we're going to cover everything that has to do with what physiology is all about, what pharmacology SLT is all about. Then look at the careers and the courses under this option, some of the courses under this option. So let's get down to it quickly and let's move on. So, as we all know, science laboratory technology is a field that focuses on practical aspects of laboratory work, particularly in scientific disciplines such as biology, chemistry, and physics. We know that it involves application of scientific principles and laboratory techniques to analyze samples, conduct experiments, and generate data for research, quality control, and or diagnostic purposes. Now, the science laboratory technology, physiology, and pharmacology option within the science laboratory technology is a specialized track that a specialized course, that delves specifically into the field of physiological processes and the effect of drugs on biological systems. The option combines the elements of biology, chemistry, and pharmacology to provide students with a comprehensive understanding of how the human body interacts with various substances, including organic or inorganic drugs. So here are some key components of physiology and pharmacology option within the SLT and within science laboratory technology. Now, let's break it down. Aside physiology and pharmacology within SLT option. So it's going to combine physiology, combine pharmacology, and combine science laboratory techniques within the course. So it's the one of the key components is physiology, and physiology is a branch of biology that focuses on the normal functions of living organisms and their parts. So students learn about the workings of organs, tissue, cells in the body, as well as how different physiological systems interact to maintain balance within the body, to maintain homeostasis. Now, topics that include cardiovascular physiology, respiratory physiology, neurophysiology, and endocrinology are covered within this course too. Then another aspect is pharmacology. Pharmacology is the study of drugs and the effect on living organisms. So students explore the mechanism of drug action and how drugs interact with biological systems, how they are metabolized and how they are excreted, and how they produce therapeutic or side effects. So pharmacology also covers topics such as drug development, pharmacokinetics, pharmacodynamics, and toxicology. So another aspect is laboratory technology techniques, which separates SLT pharmacology and physiology from the regular pharmacology and physiology you see in other departments. So students in physiology and pharmacology option require hands-on practical laboratory experience and need to learn laboratory techniques used in pharmacological and physiological research. These include methods in analyzing biological samples, conducting experiments, um, and repairing and maintaining biological instruments, and conducting experiments on living organism or tissue culture, and measuring physiological parameters such as blood pressure, heart rate, hormone levels, and etc. Now, another aspect of science laboratory technology that is inclusive in the pharmacology and physiology option is data analysis. One of the major thing that has to do with laboratory experiments or science laboratory technology is the collection of data, because we work with data. So a strong emphasis is placed on data analysis and interpretation skills. Students will learn how to collect, organize, and analyze experimental data using different statistical method and tools and specialized software. They can also learn to you also learn to interpret these your findings in context and comparison with existing literature, and communicate your findings through written reports and presentations. So some of the courses found under SLT pharmacology and physiology include alimentary systems, general laboratory techniques, alimentary systems, physiology of body of the blood and fluid, cardiovascular system, renal system, introduction to physiology, respiratory system. You learn organic chemistry, cardiovascular physiology, gastrointestinal physiology and nutrition, hazards in the laboratory. You also learn about laboratory organization and management, which are some of the SLT courses there. You learn principles of drug action, the pharmacology of pain, principles of chemotherapy, principles of sex, antimicrobial chemotherapy, principles of acute poison and antidotal treatment. You learn antisuppressant drug, anti-epileptic drugs. You learn toxicology, drug metals, drug interaction. You learn bioinstrumentation. You learn quality assurance and quality control. So these are some, this is not all, these are some of the courses that are found under this option, pharmacology and physiology option of SLT. Then for careers, you can work in hospitals, work in educational institutions, work in pharmaceutical company, pharmacological research, physiology research laboratory, public health organization, specific government and non-governmental agencies where you work with health related issues or how drugs have been administered or how drugs have been or drug development. You can also work in pharmacies where they have to do with drug development, vaccine development, and you can also work in ethnopharmacy where you produce drug from herbal remedies. So the opportunities are vast for SLT pharmacology and physiology. So one key major difference is that you need to learn laboratory skills in addition with physiology and pharmacology skills. Now, overall, the physiology and pharmacology option with science laboratory technology prepares students for careers in various sectors, including the pharmaceutical industry, research and development, clinical laboratory testing, academic research, and regulatory affairs. So graduates may work as laboratory technicians, research assistants, quality control analysts, or pursue further education and study graduate program in physiology. You can study do your MSc or postgraduate program in physiology, postgraduate program in pharmaceutical technology. You can do pharmacology. You can do and other related um, courses around what you studied. Most times, to pick a master's program within your own course, you look at the individual courses you did during your undergraduate. Some of them can be done can be specialized in during your masters. So I hope I'm able to cover some aspects. If there is something I missed out, please just do well to mention it. Thank you very much. I will see you in the next one. Bye.